This is Bob with However the Wind Blows. I wanted to put this out there. This Welder's is it's a titanium Easy Flux 125, and I bought this at Harbor Freight because I had an issue with one of my airbag brackets on our truck, and I wanted to be able to weld it up, put some brackets on it, and I'm welding 3/16 to 1/4 inch. I had a airbag bracket give me some issues, so I'm welding, just a couple of brackets on there to the fenders, but the weld is absolutely phenomenal. I am so impressed with this welder. I'm not affiliated with titanium, none of that. I just wanted to put this out there that, I was a little reluctant that it would even do a good job, but it did an amazing job for a small welder that's very lightweight that I bought. And the first time trying it out, it was absolutely amazing. Now, as you can see, I have settings here that I welded 1/4 inch plate to 3/16 brackets, and I put it on E and 4, and you can go all the way up to J, and the wire feed all the way up to 10, and I'm only halfway, and it welded absolutely flawless. And I am so thrilled with this that we are now going to carry this with us wherever we go. It'll be part of my tools when we travel, because if I have an issue again, I know I can break this welder out and I can get it done. So we'll let you know in the future how we make out. We have dual airbags and we run about 80 psi on them, so we'll see if we have any issues on our way to Arizona, and we'll put a few thousand miles on them and just see how the welds hold up and if they hold up at all.